how to make a carbonara spring roll and a vegetable spring roll.
Let's go!
Hi, my name is Nur Shafika.
My name is Nurujana.
We want to make
Carbonara spring roll.
Firstly, the ingredients we need are spring roll pastry, half of yellow onion, half of carrot, 3 sticks of sausage, 3 cloves of garlic, 295 grams of Prego carbonara mushroom sauce, a glass of milk, 200 grams of chicken, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon salt. For the second step, I will show how to cut the ingredients. First is the chicken. We must mince it. After that is garlic. We also must mince it. Next is yellow onion and carrot. We must cut it in diced slices. Lastly, we slice thin for sausage. All done. The ingredients must be thin so they are crispy when fried.
As you can see, all of the ingredients are ready. So now I will show you the steps of making the filling. Let's go! Okay, firstly, pour 4 to 5 spoons of cooking oil into the pan and then heat up medium high. After the oil is hot, then put the onions and garlic. Saute the onions until fragrant. After the onions turn a little bit of brown, we put the mince of chicken. Cook it around 30 seconds first. And then add sausage and carrot. Okay, mix it until half cooked. When you see all the ingredients nicely brown, then you can pour the carbonara sauce into the pan. Put half a glass of full cream milk into the pan. Simmer the sauce for a few minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, a bit of salt. It's up to you. If you want to make your sauce spicier, then you can add more black pepper powder. And lastly, to make the sauce thicker, we put the water combined with cornstarch. Cook until the sauce is thick. After the sauce is thick like this, you can turn off the heat. After it is done, you need to make sure the sauce is cool before you start wrapping. Okay.
Now I will show how to fold the spring roll. First, place the spring roll bread at a flat surface. The one of the corners must forward you. It's like a diamond. Put 1 tablespoon of cool filling and make sure it close to the corner. Next, roll the corner to the filling one. Then roll over the right and left side into the middle. and then continue rolling the spring roll into a tight circle.
Okay, the last step is frying spring roll. Heat 2 to 3 inches of cooking oil. Make sure to put a lot of oil on for deep frying. And then gently drop the spring roll into the pan. After it turns golden brown, transfer them to metal strainer to toast the oil.
Hello and hi everyone. If this is the first time you meeting, my name is Lydia.
My name is Nur Alia Almi. Today we are going to make the best vegetarian spring roll.
Let's begin.
Now, as you can see, this is the ingredient to make vegetable spring roll. We need half of cabbage, half of carrot, 1 big yellow onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 red chilies. We also need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and the most important ingredient is spring roll paste. Here, I will show you the step of preparing the ingredient for the filling. First, I chop 1 large yellow onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Then, finely chop half of cabbage. Next, slice half of carrot into mashed stick. And lastly, slice 2 red chilies.
The ingredients for the fillings are done.
Now I'm ready to cook the filling. We must heat 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. First, I need to saute onion and garlic that I prepared before. Make sure it's on medium heat. Wait until they start to sweat and turn translucent. Then add sliced carrot and cabbage. Wait until the veggies soften slightly. This process is going to take 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure the veggies are half done yet crunchy. Now I'm going to put some red chili. This is optional. If you don't like the spicy taste, you can skip the chili. Next, season it with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir together for 2 minutes. Once they are cooked, turn off the stove. Now the filling are done. Transfer the filling into a bowl. Let it cool completely before wrapping the spring roll.
I'm going to show you the perfect way to wrap our veggie spring roll. First and foremost, we need to peel off our spring roll sheet one by one. Place the spring roll sheet on a clean and flat surface. You can use any plate or tools that you're comfortable to use. But at this moment, I'm using a board chopper since it's big and fits my spring roll sheet perfectly. Make sure to place the spring roll sheet's corner is facing toward you. The shape of the placing should look like a diamond. The next step is to put the vegetable filling on this spring roll sheet. Put about 2 tablespoons of the filling. sure to put the filling out of the bottom corner. Then by using your hand, pick up the bottom corner and fold it over the filling. So now our bottom corner is the same direction as the top corner. Next, fold the left corner into the middle and then fold the right corner into the middle. And now our spring roll sheet should look like an envelope. Roll the bottom until you finish folding. To make sure the fillings wouldn't come out while frying, spread some egg mixture on the top corner and fold it until the end. Repeat the same steps with the remaining fillings and spring roll sheet. Okay, the last step is frying our vegetable spring roll. Put about 1 or 2 inches of cooking oil. Make sure to put a lot of it so our spring roll is indeed frying. Next, turn on the stove to heat the oil about 2 minutes. Gently put the spring roll into the pan slowly to avoid the oil from splattering. Fry it until golden brown. This process will take about 1 until 2 minutes. As you can see, our spring roll is already turned golden brown. Now, we should lift and drain on a metal strainer. Now, our vegetable spring roll is ready to serve. That's all for today.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!